The snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, is native to tropical West Africa. It is not just a visually striking addition to indoor spaces, but also a powerhouse of benefits within a compact package. With its long, sword-shaped leaves featuring distinctive green and silver patterns, it not only thrives in low-light conditions, but also requires minimal watering, making it perfect for busy individuals. Positioned in living rooms, studies, or offices, it acts as a natural air purifier, effectively removing toxins such as formaldehyde and xylene from the air while releasing oxygen, thereby enhancing the overall indoor air quality. This plant's ability to thrive under neglect, coupled with its elegant appearance, adds a touch of tranquility to any environment, promoting a sense of well-being and reducing stress levels. Its suitability for a wide range of interior settings, combined with its minimal maintenance requirements, makes the snake plant an ideal choice for anyone looking to improve their indoor environment with a beautiful and beneficial green companion.